Have you ever looked in the mirror and felt like you are staring at a stranger? Does the body you spent 60 years building now feel like it is keeping secrets from you? You notice the stiffness in your joints every morning. You feel that brief, unsettling dizziness when you stand up too quickly. Does it make you wonder if your independence is slowly slipping away? Most people will tell you this is just getting old, but they are wrong. Your body is not failing, it is simply moving to a more refined operating system. Today, we will uncover 7 silent changes no one prepares you for, including one shift in your brain that is actually your greatest hidden strength. Stay with me. Let us learn the new language of your life together. You are not breaking down. You are simply switching to a different way of working. For 60 years, your body was built for speed and growth. Now, your biology has a new mission. It is moving from quantity to quality. Science shows that your system is becoming more selective. It is no longer about how much you can do. It is about how precisely you do it. You are moving from the loud energy of youth to the quiet power of precision. First, the speed of physical repair changes. Your cells do not stop fixing damage, but they move with more caution. Muscle soreness or a small bruise will now take days to heal instead of hours. This is not a sign of weakness, but a biological shift toward thoroughness. You must give your body the extra time it asks for to avoid injury. Second, your balance connection experiences a slight delay. The electrical signals between your eyes, your inner ear, and your feet slow down. This creates a tiny lag in your coordination. You might feel unsteady when you turn around quickly or step onto a curb. It is not a loss of ability, it is a signal to move with more awareness. Third, your sleep architecture becomes lighter. Your brain spends less time in deep sleep and more time in light stages. You wake up more easily because your system is more alert to your environment. This is not necessarily insomnia. It is an ancient survival mechanism that focuses on awareness rather than heavy rest. Fourth, your internal sensors for thirst and hunger fade. The part of your brain that tells you to drink water becomes less vocal. You can become dehydrated without ever feeling thirsty. You must treat nutrition and hydration as a scheduled task rather than a feeling. Your brain needs water to think clearly, even if you do not feel the need to drink. Fifth, the physical cost of stress increases significantly. After 60, your body takes longer to return to a calm state after an argument. Stress now causes direct inflammation in your tissues and strain on your heart. Protecting your peace is no longer a luxury, it is a vital medical requirement. Choosing calm is the best way to maintain your long-term health. Sixth, your warning signals become quiet whispers. Your body no longer screams with sharp pain to tell you something is wrong. Serious issues might only appear as mild fatigue or a loss of interest. You have to learn to catch. Listen to these subtle changes before they become urgent. Early attention is the key to protecting your independence. Seventh, your brain begins a process of intellectual sifting. You might forget names or dates, but you are better at seeing the big picture. Your mind is clearing out the clutter to make room for deep wisdom. This is called cognitive pruning, and it is a natural upgrade of your intelligence. You are trading trivia for a deeper understanding of life. Understanding these biological shifts is the first step, but knowledge without action is just worry. To keep your independence, you must turn these facts into a daily plan. First, establish a strict routine for your sleep. Your brain needs consistency to repair your body properly. Second, drink water on a schedule. Do not wait until you are thirsty, because that signal is no longer reliable after 60. Third, prioritize gentle movement like walking or swimming. This keeps your circulation active without wearing down your joints. Finally, protect your peace. Stress now causes physical inflammation that your system cannot easily repair. These small adjustments are the most effective ways to stay strong and independent for years to come. Your body is not your enemy. It is your oldest friend, and it has carried you through every joy and every challenge for 60 years. It is not failing you. It is simply asking for a new kind of respect. If this conversation felt like a warm moment under the porch, I invite you to join our community by subscribing. Together, we will continue to discover the quiet strength that only comes with experience. Thank you for sharing your time with me today. You are not alone on this journey. May your path be steady and your heart be at peace.